As we cross into 2025, I charge you all to brace up for reinvigorated commitment and effort towards the complete defeat of our nation's adversaries. We must not relent in our drive to create an enabling environment for peace and prosperity in our blessed country. We must work towards a significant boost to our oil and gas production, unhindered agricultural activities, mineral exploitation, and other economic activities across the country to boost our revenue so that our elected leaders can have the resources to deliver on their campaign promises. In line with my command philosophy, let us consolidate the transformation of the Nigerian Army towards becoming a well-motivated and combat-ready force that can effectively discharge its constitutional responsibilities within a joint and multi-agency environment. I am quite aware that many of you are miles away from your families and loved ones this season, and that even as we celebrate Christmas and make merry, some of you must fight and carefully wade through heavily mined routes to get access to food and water to survive. I salute your courage, sacrifice, and each sense of duty. As the Chief of Army Staff, I promise you selfless and empathetic leadership in the new year. With our collective commitment and dedication, victory is assured and Nigeria shall remain a great nation. I look forward to joining you in the front lines to celebrate the season. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. God bless the Nigerian Army. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.